نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد, Honorable Principal and respected teachers and all of my dear friends, today I am going to deliver short speech about Suratul Ikhlas in weekly program Religion of Islam. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He is Allah, the One. Allahu Samad. Allah the Eternal, Absolute. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begetted not, nor is He begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is none like unto Him. At last I would thank to all audience teachers, and all of my dear friends for giving me short time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.